Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video we will be making Gujarati dish that is Khandvi. So let's get started. Take 1 cup of besan, gram flour, 1 cup curd, half tablespoon grated chilli, half tablespoon ginger paste, salt for taste, 1 to 2 chopped chilli, half cup grated coconut, half tablespoon mustard seed, curry leaves, two to 3 tablespoon chopped coriander. In a bowl, take 1 cup of besan. Now add curd, then 2 cup of water, ginger paste, then chili paste, then salt for taste. Mix well. Pour it in a kadai. Strain while pouring. Also on the gas, guys. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now take any flat surface utensils. You may take plate. Pour it on surface. Pour it immediately, guys, until it becomes more thickened. Using a knife, spread it through the surface. Carefully spread through the entire surface. Now add 1 tablespoon oil heated in a pan. Add half tablespoon of mustard seeds. Add chili, add curry leaves. Finally add grated coconut. Saute for 1 minute maximum. Now transfer it in another bowl. Spread it on the periphery of spreaded part. Using knife, cut into strips. Be careful. Finally, divide the vertical strips now into two. Now give a shape for Khandvi, that is, roll these strips. You have to be very careful. Simultaneously do the plating. And we are done. Thanks for watching the video, guys.